nawala ang internet ko guys, at ang internet service provider ko ay PLDT. I created a record log sa lahat nangyari. So on May 31, 2024 na-notice ko ang loss of connection. I ignored it kasi akala ko babalik lang ang connection. And on June 1, I have noticed na 24 hours na wala na ang connection at ang router umiilaw ng red, wala talaga connection. Dahil meron akong pinuntahan at medyo busy ako, June 2, 11:46 AM, nag-file ako ng formal complaint sa PLDT customer hotline at nag-issue sila ng ticket number. On June 3, nag-notify sila through text na padalhan na repair request ang field service team. So on June 4, 6:50 AM, same message has been sent. It is the second day since the filing of the request for repair. So 2 days naglagpas, June 6 na, at 10 o'clock, 10:11 AM, ang field repair team tumawag asking saan ang location ko. At 11 o'clock, finally, na-restore na ang connection. It took 4 days since the day ng filing of the repair para padalhan ng repair team. 4 days, guys. By the way, take note, I live sa probinsya, sa Kabangkalan City. Medyo malayo ito na lugar. The whole point of this video to show the responsiveness ng repair ng PLDT. I don't know how fast sila makarespond sa Metro Manila or sa ibang probinsya. Sa business na highly reliant sa internet connection, importante talaga na ma-repair at ma-restore ang connection as soon as possible para hindi mawala ng kita. Kung nasa area ka maraming ISP available at highly dependent ka sa internet para sa source of income mo, you can buy an automatic failover and load balancer ang TP-Link ER605 V2. So, I leave the link down below. Basically, isang box yan na meron kang main ISP at once mag-fail siya, another ISP will take its place. So, basically, kung very dependent ka sa internet for your source of income, VA ka, or nag-rely ka sa mga online transaction, pisonet or piso wifi, na kailangan I highly recommend na dalawa ang ISP mo. Converge or Globe, PLDT or Globe, or Sky Cable, kung ano dyan. And then lagay at bumili ka ng TP-Link na ER605 V2. Ano yan siya, na parang router siya, meron failover and load balancer. So, as if nang wala nang nangyari, I added the Shopee link below if interested kayo sa automatic failover and load balancer ng TP-Link. So guys, kung may experience kayo na mas madali sa 4 days, comment down below. As always, thank you for watching. And by the way, this is not to bash PLDT. This is just to share ko sa inyo from the point of filing ng complaint at kung kailan na repair. So dito sa akin, 4 days. So, I'll see you on the next video. Peace!